So I'm a youngish professional. I work in the healthcare sector. I felt pressured into the prevent referral when it happened, and I didn't really understand the consequences. Objectively, I could not see how the referral was appropriate. I really don't understand how I posed a risk or was at risk of radicalisation. I spoke to someone from Prevent very briefly while I was walking home from work one day because they called me out of the blue. The call lasted less than 5 minutes. I told them I was a mum with a young child, and also I need to be able to pass a DBS check for my job, and that I wouldn't do anything to jeopardize either of those things, especially not my daughter. The implication of the prevent referral started to dawn on me, and I worried about losing my daughter. I mean, I don't know if people labeled as terrorists get to keep their kids or not, but it just felt really dodgy. I was also really worried about losing my job and people at work finding out because I'd be ostracized. I still worry about that sometimes as well, and even though it's been several years now. I was also worried that the prevent referral would come out in a DPS check when I applied for a more senior job. I was aware I had been referred to prevent, but I was unable to get the details of the referral, even though I made multiple subject access requests. I couldn't sleep very well. I was anxious a lot, and I felt like a total imposter at work. After several months, I stopped worrying because I don't think I could worry anymore. I think I just totally burnt out. The prevent referral didn't come out in the DBS check, but I have no way of being certain that it won't affect me in the future. I feel like the prevent referral shouldn't have been made in the first place, and I'd like to see it deleted so I have some peace of mind. I also recognize that I'm from a much more privileged background than that most people who get referred to prevent, and I think that it was super scary for me, and I think it does a lot of harm to people by scaring them and alienating them. So I think the whole system needs to be gotten rid of.